Okay, so let us go ahead with next question. Question number 11th. कल हमने question number 10 तक solve किया था. Air is filled at 60 degree in a vessel of open mouth. You have a vessel which is open. The vessel is heated to a temperature T so that 1/4 part of air escapes. So if I take initial mass M1 equal to M, so M2 is M minus 1/4 of M. तो M by 4 मतलब 3/4 will remain ऐसा मैंने बोला है आपको. Assuming the volume of the vessel remaining constant, the value of T is, first of all, अब here onwards, I don't want you to keep deriving formulas again and again. हमने कल ही देखा था वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट बोला है, तो if volume is constant and in the last example pressure was given constant and there was no information about volume. प्रेशर कांस्टेंट दिया था, वॉल्यूम का कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं था. इस केस में वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट बोला है और प्रेशर का कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, मतलब आपको प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम दोनों को कांस्टेंट ट्रीट करना है, राइट? तो इफ यू ट्रीट बोथ ऑफ दिस टू बी कांस्टेंट, तो सिंस P and V are constants, so if you remember, जब प्रेशर वॉल्यूम दोनों कांस्टेंट होता है तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास इनटू टेम्परेचर इज आल्सो कांस्टेंट. ये हमने कल डिराइव किया था, so we will not derive it again. So therefore you have M1 T1 equal to M2 T2 equal to M2 T2. You are supposed to find out T2. So T2 is M1 by M2 into T1. Okay, M1 by M2 you can get it from here because you can see M2 is 3M1 by 4. M2 is 3M1 by 4. So M1 by M2 is 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3. So since M2 is 3M1 by 4, so you have M1 by M2 as 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3. T1 60 degrees है. You are not supposed to write down directly in degrees. पहले केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो 60 plus 273 will be the initial temperature. 60 plus 273 is how much? 270 में 60 ऐड करो 330. 333. So this is 333. Okay, 333 Kelvin. 1 Therefore you will have T2 as 444 Kelvin. इसमें से 273 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो डिग्री सेल्सियस में मिलेगा. 444 minus 273 144 और ऊपर का 27 171 degree Celsius. So this is how you are supposed to solve this question. Number 1, वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट बोला है, प्रेशर के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला है, तो दोनों को कांस्टेंट लेना पड़ेगा. पिछले क्वेश्चन में उल्टा था. They have given you, they have said pressure is constant and no information about volume. तो हमने दोनों को कांस्टेंट लिया था, तो यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही करना है. So this is how you are supposed to solve this question. And remember, many times you tend to forget to convert into Kelvin. In physics, anywhere in science, temperature is to be measured in Kelvin only. तो Kelvin में ही करना पड़ेगा आपको. Okay. Next question. The pressure P, volume V, and temperature T of a gas in jar A and the other gas in jar B. Okay, so you have pressure P, volume V, and temperature T of a gas in the jar A. You have jar A, case A, pressure, volume, temperature. You have another jar B in which you have pressure 2P, volume is V by 4, 1/4, and temperature is 2T. Okay. Then the ratio of number of molecules in jar A and jar B will be. Upon ratio of number of molecules पूछा है. It is very simple question. So basically PV is equal to nRT. This n is number of moles, which is number of molecules upon Avogadro number RT, right? So by the way, you have to first identify what is constant. Universal gas constant is constant, Na is constant. Therefore, you can say PV is proportional to NT. R is constant. N वो पूछा है number of ratio, वो पूछा ना ratio of number of molecules, मतलब that is not same. Okay, temperature is not same, volume is not same, pressure is not same. So PV is proportional to NT. Therefore, N is proportional to PV by T. हो गया question solved. Number of molecules in A to that of B is PA. It was PV by T. So PA VA by TA upon PB VB TB. So PA is, this is simple. This is PVT. PVT. And here pressure in the second jar is 2P. ये 2P है, ये V by 4 है और ये 2T है. This is 2T. Cancel, 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 and cancel. Again, 1, 2, 2 to 4. So 4 is to 1. Simple question था. एक बार check कर लो. Next question. Two identical glass bulbs are interconnected by a thin glass tube. So you have two glass bulbs which are connected by a thin glass tube. So let us take two bulbs. We have two glass bulbs connected by a thin tube. Glass bulb number 1 and number 2, let us say, connected by a thin tube. Let us connect this with a thin tube. Okay, something like this, more or less. Anyways, doesn't matter. A gas is filled in these bulbs at normal temperature pressure, NTP. If one bulb is placed in ice, so you are placing one of this in ice. यहाँ पे ice है, and the other is placed in hot bath. So this is hot bath. Then the pressure of the gas becomes 1.5 times. Okay, the temperature of the hot bath will be. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले ये समझ लो कि जब आपने इसको फिल किया, दोनों कंटेनर को गैस में फिल किया, देन both of them were filled at NTP, normal temperature pressure. Then you are placing it in the hot bath. So hot bath means you have kept it later. Okay. So by the way, will the number of moles of the gas change? No. Number of moles of the gas will remain same. So in such questions, you always have to start with saying quantity of gas doesn't change. मतलब PV is equal to nRT, right? So what you can say is, of course, आपके पास n है यहाँ पे, PV by RT. So always you should say initial number of moles. Initial number of moles is equal to final number of moles. Initial number of moles in container bulb 1 is N1 and in 2 is N2 and final is N1 dash plus N2 dash. Why dash? Because number of mole depends on values of pressure, volume and temperature. Quantity of gas is not changing, but by the way temperature will change क्योंकि एक है ice और दूसरा है hot bath. तो case number 1, N1 will be PV by RT, but R is 273. Sorry, T is 273. क्यों? Normal temperature is 273. Correct? Is it 273? 0 degree is how much? 273 plus PV by 273 R. मतलब absolutely no change over here, right? Then equal to N1 dash. What will you write here in place of N1 dash? Pressure becomes 1.5 times P. Volume will still remain the same because volume you are not changing, right? Divide by temperature. What is temperature of ice? 0. मतलब 273 again here plus again 1.5. Okay, let us see if you get right answer. So again 1.5 P. 1.5 PV upon R into T, because T temperature of hot bath find करने के लिए बोला है temperature of hot bath will be, now obviously PV by R, PV by R, PV by R, PV by R common निकाल के cancel out. 1 plus 1 by 273 plus 1 by 273 is 2 by 273. तो पहले मैंने PV by R कैंसिल किया. On the left hand side you have 1 upon 273 2 times. So 2 upon 273 equal to 1.5 by 273. Okay, plus 1.5 by T. Right? This is what you will be getting. And by the way, अगर मुझे कैलकुलेशन सिंपल करने हैं तो मैं इस 1.5 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके जाऊंगा. यू विल गेट 2 minus 1.5 upon 273 equal to 1.5 by T. This is 0.5 upon 273 equal to 1.5 by T. 1 and 3 273 into 3, 275 into 3 पता होना चाहिए, उसमें से 6 माइनस कर लेना. कैसे? I wanted to have 273 into 3. What I do is 275 into 3. मुझे ऐसा इजी होता है. You look आपको कैसा इजी जा रहा है. तो this is also another way. एक काम करो, इसको आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. 250 into 3, 750. हमको 273 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, हमने 250 किया तो 23 छोड़ दिया, तो 23 3 टाइम्स. व्हाट इज 23 3 टाइम्स? 69, राइट? 69 ऐड कर लो इसमें. If you add 69, this will become in total 819. So this is 819 Kelvin. 819 Kelvin. Okay. आपको आंसर दिया है डिग्री सेल्सियस में. 819 minus 273 is how much? Now you are calculating. Look at the options. It cannot be anything except for 5 4 6. 800 में से अगर 200 माइनस करोगे तो 600, तो कितना ही कम होगा. You cannot have 100, you cannot have 182, you cannot have 256, so you can only have 5 4 6. So in such questions always remember what is NTP value. Ice is always at 0, तो 0 मतलब यहाँ पे 273 आया and 1 dash के इक्वेशन में, and N2 dash मतलब temperature of hot bath you are supposed to find out. So this is how you are supposed to solve this question. So this is in degrees, not in Kelvin. So degree Celsius, so you have 546 degree Celsius. Next question. Two containers of equal volume contain the same gas at pressures P1 and P2 and absolute temperatures T1 and T2 respectively. On joining the vessels, the gas reaches a common pressure and common temperature T. The ratio of P by T is equal to. Again, same thing. You have two containers of equal volume. V1 equal to V2 equal to V, let us say. Okay, contain the same gas at pressures P1 and P2. So एक का प्रेशर P1 है, दूसरे का P2 है. Absolute temperatures of container 1 T1 and container 2 is T2. Joining the vessels, the gas will reach a common pressure and common temperature. आपको final pressure to that of final temperature का ratio पूछा है. Again same. So you will have to use the same thing. Initial number of moles equal to final number of moles. So you will say again initial number of moles remains the same. Initial number of moles is equal to final number of moles. Final number of moles. So here again you will have N1 plus N2 equal to n1 डैश प्लस n2 डैश। कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको? व्हाट वाज n? pv बाय rt, pv बाय rt, तो p1 v1 अपॉन rt1 प्लस p2 v2 बाय rt2। व्हाट अबाउट दिस? व्हाट अबाउट दिस? n1 डैश प्लस n2 डैश। अच्छे से पढ़ो। On joining the vessels, the gas reaches a common pressure, मतलब perfect mixing of gas. So how will you be solving this? What will be this? This will be P final, which is P. Okay, V final. What is V final? V1 plus V2, क्योंकि दोनों का मिक्सिंग हो गया, इसका मतलब फाइनल वॉल्यूम इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट कंटेनर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सेकेंड कंटेनर अपॉन आर टी फाइनल इज टी। इट इज नॉट T1 प्लस T2, उन्होंने बोला इट इज जस्ट T1 प्लस T2 बाई 2। एवरेज टेम्परेचर अंडर सर्टन कंडीशंस ही होता है। इट इज नॉट लाइक यू हैव वन कंटेनर विद T1 टेम्परेचर, I mean even if it is same gas, second container having T2 temperature, तो हमेशा एवरेज नहीं होता है आफ्टर मिक्सिंग। सो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन फ्यू कंडीशंस, हम देखेंगे बाद में। तो बाय द वे फाइनल टेम्परेचर इज T ओनली। तो आपको पूछा है व्हाट इज P बाई T, इट इज सिंपल। नाउ क्या था आपके पास? P1 V1 RT1, P1 is P1, V1 is V, RT1 plus P2 V2 is V, RT2 equal to V1 plus V2, V plus V, 2V. So this will be P 2V upon RT. V by R, V by R, V by R. Common and cancel. तो ये मिलेगा आपको P1 by T1 plus P2 by T2 equal to 2P by T, 2, ये 2 को भूलना मत यहाँ पे, divide 2, therefore you will get P by T is equal to P1 by 2T1 plus P2 by 2T2. You should get something like this, P1 by 2T1 plus P2 by 2T2. So this is how you are supposed to solve. Next question. Let A and B be the two gases and given, तो आपको given में ratio of temperature to that of mass of A is 4 times of TB by MB, इतना दिया है, where T is temperature and M is molecular mass. It is not mass in gram, it is molecular mass. Okay. If Ca and Cb are the RMS speed, then the ratio of Ca by Cb will be equal to. Simple सा question है, and you should know what is the formula of CRMS. CRMS is under root of 3RT by M. 3 constant, R constant, which means CRMS is proportional to root of T by M. So Ca by Cb will be under root of Ta, Ma, Tb and Mb. Okay, right? तो anyways, आप अगर इसको ऐसा नहीं भी लिखोगे तो डजंट मैटर, ऐसा करोगे तो भी चलेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको Ta by Ma in terms of Tb by Mb दिया है। So this is equal to Ta by Ma is 4 times of Tb by Mb, 4 times of Tb by Mb, and Mb और Tb already था ही वहां पे, तो cancel 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 cancel, root of 4 is 2, तो answer should be option A. Simple. Next question. The root mean square speed of hydrogen molecules at 300 Kelvin is 1930. मतलब आपको टेम्परेचर 1 दिया है 300 केल्विन, आपको CRMS 1 दिया है 1930, और कौन सा है पहला? पहला है हाइड्रोजन। हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन बाय द वे, हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल तो वैसे भी पता होना चाहिए। हाइड्रोजन इज अ मॉलिक्यूलर गैस। what will be molecular weight of hydrogen? Of hydrogen gas, H2. Each hydrogen atom has molecular weight of 1, so H2 will have 2, so MH2 is nothing but 2. The root, then the root means square speed of oxygen molecules at, so T2 मतलब PO2. I will just change notation so as to not to have any confusion. TH2, and this is speed of hydrogen, of course in meter per second. Temperature of oxygen O2 is 900 Kelvin. What is molecular weight of O2? 32. And you are supposed to find out speed of, not CO2, this is RMS of oxygen. मैं स्पीड V से डिनोट नहीं करता हूं, आई प्रिफर टू यूज C फॉर सम रीजन, लेट इट बी। तो एनीवेज, तो आपको सिर्फ पूछा है व्हाट इज RMS स्पीड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एट 900 केल्विन गिवन दिस डेटा फॉर हाइड्रोजन। गुड, तो यू ऑलरेडी नो, अभी अभी आपने ही तो बताया, CRMS इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 3RT बाय M, which means C मतलब speed is proportional to T by M, which means speed of oxygen upon speed of hydrogen molecular gases is equal to under root of T of oxygen upon molecular weight of oxygen into temperature of hydrogen gas, molecular weight of hydrogen gas. This was 900. 900. MO2 is 32. This is 2. This is 300. 1, 3. 116. So you will have speed of O2 as root of 3 और 16 का root होता है 4. So I will write down directly 4 here. So 4 times of speed of hydrogen. So this is root 3 by 4, and हाइड्रोजन का स्पीड कितना दिया आपको? 1930. So how much is this? CO2 speed of oxygen root 3 by 4, 1930. Approximate calculations कैसे? मैं अप्रोक्सीमेट बता रहा हूं, डोंट टेक इट अदरवाइज। 2000 by 4, 500. Root 3 is 1.7. 500 into 1.7. 17 5 80, 85 मतलब 850. Look, 836. तो अप्रोक्सीमेट कैसे किया आपने? ये आपने इसको, मैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली बता रहा हूं, दिस इज साइन फॉर डबल टिल्डाइज अप्रोक्सीमेशन। रूट 3 इज 1.732 by 4. This is 2000 ones and 500s are 17 into 5 is 85. So roughly this will be approximately 850 meter per second. Exact answer turns out to be 836 meter per second, which is option number B. Next question. At what temperature is the root mean square velocity of gaseous hydrogen molecules is equal to that of oxygen molecules? तो अभी यहाँ पे बता दिया है कि रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी इक्वल होना चाहिए। At what temperature the RMS speed of hydrogen is equal to oxygen at 47? Oxygen is at 47 degree. तो directly यहाँ पे इसका other way round है. Here they are directly telling you that CRMS of hydrogen should be equal to CRMS of oxygen. You know this is under root of 3RT by M. So MH2 and TH2 आएगा यहाँ पे under root of 3RTO2 upon M O2, 3R कैंसिल होगा, देन यू स्क्वायर इट, क्योंकि ये कैंसिल हो गया, फिर आपने स्क्वायर कर दिया, तो TH2 अपॉन MH2 इक्वल टू TO2 अपॉन MO2. You know these values, and by the way, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ इसको शिफ्ट करने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे, एंड दैट्स इट. So now you know all the values on the right hand side. Substitute. TO2 is 47. What is 47 in 320? 273 plus 47, 320, and 32 and 2, right? 116, 120. So you have temperature of hydrogen as 20 Kelvin. 20 Kelvin, option number A. Simple question tha. Next question. Speeds of 5 molecules of a gas are as follows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The root mean square speed for this molecule is. This is a joke, so I will not give you time to write down because you should know. क्या पूछा है आपको? Root mean square. You already know CRMS formula is C1 square plus C2 square. यहाँ पे 5 है तो 5 C5 square by 5. So it is easy. 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36. 13, 16, 29, 54, 90 by 5. 90 by 5 is how much? अरे 20, 5 into 20, हाँ कितना? 18. This is 18 का रूट. 18 का रूट मतलब कितना? 3 root 2. 3 root 2. 3 into root 2. Root 2 is how much? 1.414. 3 into 1.4. 1.14. 3 is how much? 42. 4.2. Option number D, and done. So this is how you're supposed to solve, and you're not getting time to write it down because it's something very trivial, simple. Agla question. Agla question. Gas at a pressure P0 is contained in a vessel. If the masses of all the molecules are halved, their speeds are doubled, the resulting pressure will be. Again, आपके पास एक गैस है जिसका इनिशियल प्रेशर आपको P0 दिया है, आपने जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स है सबके मासेस को हाफ कर दिया और स्पीड्स को डबल कर दिया. व्हाट विल बी द प्रेशर? डू यू रिमेंबर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्रेशर? 1/3 rho CRMS square. P is equal to 1/3 rho is total mass upon volume CRMS square. If you remember, total mass was mass of each molecule into number of molecules by V CRMS square. यहाँ पे कौन से दो पैरामीटर को चेंज करने की बात कर रहा है? स्पीड एंड मास. तो P is proportional to M into CRMS square. Everything else is constant. Okay. So P2 by P1 is M2 by M1, C2 by C1 का square. And by the way, now learn this trick. Mass is halved. So M2 equal to M1 by 2. So M1 by M2 is 2. So M2 by M1 will be half. This is half. Mass is halved, मतलब final by initial is half. Okay. Speed is doubled, मतलब final by initial is 2. So C2 by C1 is 2. ये 2 गए मतलब 4 था ये, तो 2 square. So do not do it like this. नहीं तो बोलेंगे मैंने बोला था. I'm not telling you to do like this. This is 4 by 2, that is 2. So P2 is 2 times of initial pressure, that is 2 times of P0. 2 times of P0. Option number B. Next question. A box containing n molecules of a perfect gas at temperature T1 and pressure P1, the number of molecules in the box is doubled, keeping the total kinetic energy of the gas same as before. Okay, if the new pressure is P2 and temperature T2, then what is the relation between final pressure, initial pressure, and final temperature with initial temperature? By the way, you have a box containing n molecules, right? So let us assume a monoatomic gas. What will be total energy of each molecule? 3 by 2 kT. kBT मतलब वही kT. ओके, ये टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ मतलब एनर्जी ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल, बिकॉज मोनोटॉमिक गैस हैज ओनली ट्रांसलेशनल डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम. बाय द वे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मोनोटॉमिक लो, डायटोमिक लो, रिजिड, नॉन रिजिड, बिकॉज 3/2 5/2 ये सब कांस्टेंट ही रहने वाले हैं. n मॉलिक्यूल्स थे तो 3/2 n kT इज द टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल. आगे क्या बोला है आपको? आपको बताया है कि नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द बॉक्स is doubled, keeping kinetic energy same. मतलब E1 is equal to E2, kinetic energy case 1 case 2 same बताया आपको. Then you can just write this as 3/2 N1 K T1 equal to 3/2 N2 K T2. Right? गया cancel. So you have N1 T1 equal to N2 T2 equal to N3 T3 equal to N4 T4. जब आता है तो Nt is equal to constant. तो फिलहाल इसको रख देते हैं, काम में आएगा बाद में. Nt equal to constant. What was N2? 2 times of N1, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स को डबल किया है. करेक्ट. कैंसल. तो T1 is 2 times of T2, तो T2 is T1/2. मतलब टेम्परेचर विल बी हाफ ऑफ इनिशियल वैल्यू. इसका मतलब यू कैन नॉट हैव दिस एंड दिस फॉर श्योर नाउ, राइट? अभी बी और सी डी में से एक. तो प्रेशर के लिए कैसे सॉल्व करूं? हाउ टू सॉल्व फॉर प्रेशर? मैंने इंटेंशनली वो Nt इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट लिखा, बिकॉज जब आप गैसेस की बात कर रहे हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट गैसेस, you are supposed to follow this. PV is equal to nRT, but N is N by NA RT. This is PV is equal to R by NA NT. R constant, NA constant, ये भी constant. Okay, so therefore PV is equal to constant. Therefore P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. अरे बट वॉल्यूम कब चेंज हुआ? बोला है क्या वॉल्यूम चेंज हुआ? नहीं, मतलब वॉल्यूम भी कांस्टेंट. तो लेट अस गो बैक हियर. P equal to RNT by NA into V, right? Everything on right hand side is constant. So you will say, but this is a constant, which means pressure is constant, which means pressure P1 equal to pressure P2, which means option number B, right? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में काइनेटिक एनर्जी, वैसे बाय द वे गैस अंडर assumptions of kinetic theory of gases, it does not have potential energy anyways. तो अगर काइनेटिक नहीं भी बोला होता, टोटल बोला होता, तो भी यही लेना पड़ता. सो इक्वेट एनर्जीज आपको मिलेगा N1 T1 equal to N2 T2, which implies Nt is constant. Then N2 is 2 times of N1. Solve करो, T2 is T1/2. Nt constant मतलब यहाँ पे PV is equal to N by NA RT में राइट हैंड साइड पे P को छोड़ के सब राइट हैंड साइड पे जाओ, सारा का सारा राइट हैंड साइड में each thing is constant, मतलब pressure is constant. Okay, then we'll stop at this question today. More questions in the next session.